Have you ever heard of a place so bizarre? It sounds like it is straight out of a Greek myth, a place where animals that touch its waters are turned to stone. Well, this place is real, and it's called Lake Natron in Tanzania. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of this deadly, yet hauntingly beautiful, petrifying lake. Picture this, a vast, shimmering lake, but instead of clear blue water, you see shades of crimson, orange, and even pink. Along its shores, you find something truly eerie. Perfectly preserved, statuesque figures of birds and bats, calcified as if they were sculpted from stone right where they fell. It's a surreal, macabre art gallery created by nature itself. So, what's the science behind this incredible phenomenon? Is it a curse? Magic? The answer is even more fascinating. The secret lies in the lake's unique chemistry. Lake Natron is what's known as a soda lake or an alkaline lake. Its water is extremely rich in a chemical compound called natron, which is a mix of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, basically baking soda. This comes from the volcanic ash from the nearby Aldunyo Lengai volcano, the only active volcano in the world that erupts a special type of lava called This lava is loaded with these rare sodium minerals, so when rain falls on the volcano and surrounding hills, it washes these minerals down into the lake basin. Because the lake is in a hot, arid region with no outlets to the sea, the water evaporates quickly, leaving behind super concentrated levels of these salts. This makes the water's pH level incredibly high, reaching over 10.5, which is almost as alkaline as ammonia. For most living things, this is extremely caustic and can cause severe burns to skin and eyes. Now, you might be thinking about how do the animals turn to stone? This is where the preservation process kicks in. Often a bird that's not adapted to this environment accidentally dies and falls into the lake. The sodium carbonate acts as a fantastic natural preservative. It's the same chemical the ancient Egyptians used in their mummification process to dry out bodies. The high alkalinity of the water slows down the decay process to a crawl. As the water soaks into the animal's body, the natron crystallizes and hardens, essentially encasing the creature in a salty, stone-like shell. Over time, it becomes a perfect calcified statue, preserving its form in eerie detail. The famous haunting photos of these petrified animals were taken by photographer Nick Brandt. He found these creatures washed up along the shoreline and placed them in lifelike poses, creating a powerful and unforgettable series of images that brought Lake Natron to global attention. He really captured the lake's dual nature, a place of both death and stunning, stark beauty. But here's the twist. Despite its deadly reputation, Lake Natron is bursting with life. How is that possible? Well, some organisms are built for this. The lake's vibrant red and orange colors come from huge blooms of salt-loving microorganisms called halichobids. These tiny extremophiles thrive in the salty, alkaline conditions. And they aren't the only ones. The lake is actually the single most important breeding ground in the world for the lesser flamingo. Millions of these beautiful birds flock to the lake to build their nests on the salt islands that form during the dry season. The caustic water that deters predators creates a perfect, safe nursery for their chicks. The flamingos have tough, leathery skin on their legs that protects them from the alkaline water, and they feed on the spirulina algae that also flourish there, which is what gives them their famous pink color. So for these flamingos, this deadly lake is a paradise, a sanctuary of life. Lake Natron is a perfect example of how extreme environments can foster unique ecosystems. It's a place of stark contrasts, a toxic, deadly lake that is also a cradle of life. It reminds us that nature is full of surprises and that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to adapt and thrive in the most incredible ways. It's a natural wonder that is as terrifying as it is beautiful. A true testament to the strange and magical chemistry of our planet. What do you think of this incredible lake? Would you ever want to visit it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this journey to one of Earth's most mysterious places, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from our world. See you next time.